Hey guys, welcome back to the Simple Drinks channel. My name is Johnny and today we're going to make one more real tasty, real easy cocktail. On today's menu we have the Blue Riband, real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. We need gin, orange liqueur and blue curacao. I haven't been able to find out much about this cocktail. As far as the name is concerned, the Blue Riband is awarded to the fastest liner who crosses the Atlantic Ocean, and it is believed that the cocktail was made on one of these ships. If you know any other information, please feel free to share it down in the comments. And without further ado, let's make a Blue Riband. So first of all, we're going to start with gin, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Pour that into a shaker, followed by 22.5 ml of orange liqueur and same amount, 22.5 ml of blue curacao. Now we are going to add ice. And stir the cocktail. That's about it. We have a pre-chilled glass here. We're going to discard the ice and we are going to strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. Look at that color, beautiful. Now we're going to garnish it with a Maraschino Cherry. Just drop it in. Beautiful. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We made the Blue Riband. Cheers! Yeah, orange liqueur is dominant. It's I don't know, sort of orange liqueur martini, blue martini. I don't know, but it's nice. If you like orange liqueur, this is your go-to. If you like blue cocktails, try it. And ladies and gents, that's it. We made the Blue Riband, real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. Try it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like this video, share, subscribe, it means a lot. You know I really appreciate your support. That would be all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.